Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you very much to subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for nice compliment. Today I'm gonna show you in this color pattern. So I'm gonna show you very easy pattern today. So if you don't, I'm used to make like this, but if you are beginner you can make loop like this, cross this here, then do like this, take with crochet this, so you can make loop like this if you are beginner. I'm used to make like that, so I'm gonna this very easy pattern for baby blanket, scarf. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. So I'm gonna make 30. So some people makes a here chain 2, skip chain 2. I'm gonna make with single crochet just one, like this, single crochet. So at the end I should have 29 single crochet. This pattern multiply in one stitch, so you can make 1 meter 90 centimeter. This always is easy to make. You can measure your chain, blanket chain, or you can just use scarf. This size is scarf size if you want to make scarf, but this is a for learner. It's pretty good for learner because beginner can make easy this pattern. They can learn on this pattern. I hope you can see it. So I will show you at the end. I'm gonna make single crochet always. So I am at the end now. This row I made single crochet. So here I'm gonna make chain 3, yarn over. So here I have 29 single crochet. So I'm not gonna make, when you make this double crochet, then you have to skip this first one which I made this top of this. I'm not gonna make there. I'm gonna make next, but just in the back loop. Okay, see, just in the back loop, double crochet like this. Each stitch I'm gonna make in the back loop. Just I'm gonna use back loop, double crochet in the back loop. Each stitch I'm gonna make like this. I'm gonna make each back loop here, 2 loops here. I just use only back loop. This pattern is so simple. So I have last one now. Last one I'm gonna make 2 loops. Okay, two loops. Last one at the end. Need to make like this. You can see how it look like. So chain 1. If you want, you can make chain 2, but I would like to make just chain 1 when you make single crochet. 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I have to in back loop. Chain 1. So same stitch I'm gonna make in the back loop. Sorry, when I'm doing quick, so use single crochet in the back loop as well for this pattern. You can't make if you want in 2 loop, but it's good if you use back loop. So this row in single crochet, I'm using 3mm hook and double knitting yarn. So here last one I'm gonna make in 2 loop. So you should have single crochet 29 single crochet. So I'm gonna show you this last row. Again, I'm not gonna make here in next with this. I'm not gonna make this first one because this I made this top of this. So I back loop, double crochet. Just I'm gonna use back loop. So viewers, it will go like this. I will show you at the end. Each back loop double crochet. I will show you at the end. Okay viewers, I am at the end. Last one here, last chain, double crochet. You can see same. Gonna make again one chain. So when you make one chain, you have to make in same stitch as well, single crochet, but just you need to in back loop. If you don't make in back loop, then you can't see this line. It looks pretty, this line. That's why I'm using back loop. So I'm gonna one row with single crochet, one row with double crochet. I will show you my model at the end. So viewers, I'm gonna stop my pattern in here. Its end. This is a very easy for learner. You can make scarf, or you can make scarf if you want to make 1 meter. Also make from the side, you can crochet in this design. You can make heart, so blanket, whatever you want to make. This is so easy, and edges are so good as well, so it's good for learner. I will show you very easy pattern soon. I hope you like this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment.